Hi, you guys. I'm Nikki, mother of six, wife, content creator, and dreamer, and this is our journey. We gave up everything to move home to take care of our parents and restore our 100-year-old home. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's renovate one room at a time. All right, you guys. So I am in the backyard, and I think this side of the house could be something really cute and maybe like a sit down area, a covered sit down area. I'm not sure. And then you have here, I'm looking somewhere to put my pumpkins for right now. So the neighbors just put this up, but we're getting ready to redo the entire gate. So all of this will be covered soon, but I just need somewhere to put my pumpkins. And I know it has to be full sun. I kind of want to put it along here, but then I also just want to line them up along here. So I'm looking at it. We're getting ready to replace this right here. We're going to make it bigger. I don't know. The grass was just cut. I'm also going to plant some flowers here because this is always shaded. So I can plant flowers along here and have it to where, or I can just make this a strict walkway on around here. And then add flowers on the outside leading up to the stairs. I kind of want to curve the stairs a little bit too. I'm looking and I'm thinking and looking. As you can tell, the backyard is in need of some attention, and I am back here to give it just that. I literally never come back here, you guys. I can probably count on both of my hands out of the 15, 16 years how many times I have been back here. So the plan is to update everything, the gate, the deck, add a new walkway because it's so muddy. I want a ton of flowers, raised garden beds. I just want everything back here to be beautiful. Now this backyard is not as big as our other backyard, but it's not tiny either. It's a ton of room back here to create a lot of amazing things, and I cannot wait. So you will not get everything in this video, but we are starting in this video, and we're starting with our pumpkins. My final decision is to put the pumpkins back here along the gate and along the wall, and then I will add a trellis and let them grow upward. I think it's going to be beautiful, maybe a cute little seating area. It's going to be amazing. And when the fall season comes, everything is going to be beautiful. So let's jump right into our work week. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. And let's transplant our pumpkins.